Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling two-step verification in Telegram on your PC. By following these steps, you can add an extra layer of security to your account. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see the option for two-step verification. Click on it. To create a password, click on Create Password. Enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Click on Continue to proceed. You have the option to add a password hint. If you want to add one, enter it here. Otherwise, you can click on Skip to proceed without adding a hint. Click on Continue to move forward. If you want to add an email for password recovery, enter it under Enter Recovery Email. Alternatively, you can click on Skip Email if you don't want to add a recovery email. Finally, click on Save and Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled two-step verification in Telegram on your PC. Please note that after making this privacy change, you'll receive a notification in Telegram on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.